If you're trying to delete all your photos and videos inside a folder, and then you get a message saying this action can't be completed because the file is open in COM Surrogate, which means these photos are open in some apps and they are running in the background. Obviously, the first thing you will need to do is to make sure your photos are not opened in any app. So close your Photos app, for example. And then if you're still getting this error, to fix it, we need to kill some of the background processes. Right click on Start and select Task Manager. In the Processes tab, scroll down until you see the photos. Select it and then click on End Task. I've also realized there are some other processes that might be keeping your photos open. For example, phone link. Select it and similarly click on End Task. One more app that might also be causing the issue is OneDrive. Select it and then click on End Task. And finally, scroll up to the top of the processes until you get to COM Surrogate. Select it. As the message was saying, the photos are opened in COM Surrogate and that's why it's not able to delete. So click on End Task to kill COM Surrogate process. Now you can close Task Manager. And then once again, select all the photos and try to delete again. And somehow we were able to manage to delete only one photo. So if you are still not able to delete even after ending the background processes, come to the root directory of your USB drive, click on the three dots and then select Eject. Then you might get this message saying your USB drive is currently in use. Obviously, make sure all your photos are closed. Wait around 10 seconds and then click on Try Again. In this way, your USB drive would be ejected. Now connect back your USB drive to your computer, go back to the drive, open the folder, once again select all the photos and try to delete, and now you can see we were able to successfully delete all the photos in that folder. Please let me know in the comments below which method helped you to delete all your photos, and if you still have any questions, let me know.